If you are constantly uploading videos on YouTube and each and every one of those videos are not getting pushed by the YouTube algorithm, and each and every one of those videos are all getting less than 500 views on your YouTube channel, here are 4 crucial mistakes that you might actually be making that is affecting your YouTube channel and also affecting your views. It took me uploading a lot of videos on my YouTube channel before I realized this mistake, and I'm going to be sharing all that mistake on this video. And please, if you have any question, remember to drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply immediately once I see it. And do remember to like, share, and smash that subscribe button to stay connected, because I post a lot of tips and tutorials on a daily basis. Alright, let's get right to it. The first crucial mistake is when you are not using an aged account. If you create a Gmail and then you use that same new Gmail to create a YouTube account, this is actually going to make YouTube to be looking at your channel like it's a bot channel, which means that when you upload any video on that channel, YouTube is hardly going to be pushing your videos, which is going to be very, very bad for your YouTube channel. So the right thing for you to do is that once you create your YouTube channel, wait at least 3 days or 1 week before you upload any video on that channel. And also that 3 days or 1 week, don't just be idle. What you are going to be doing in that 3 days or that 1 week while you are waiting before you upload your videos on your channel is that you are going to be arranging your YouTube channel settings. You are going to be putting your YouTube channel keywords, arranging your channel description, putting your profile pictures and stuff like that. And then once you are done with that, the next thing that you need to do is that use that channel to be watching other videos of other creators and engaging on that video, because what this is going to do is that it's going to help you to see that okay, your channel is not a bot channel before you start uploading videos into that your channel. As a small creator, it's not actually easy to get your video picked and pushed out there by the YouTube algorithm, leading to much more views, which actually brings me to the second crucial mistake, which is when you do not fully optimize your video before you upload it on your YouTube channel, like adding the right tags, the right hashtags, using ChatGPT to get a good description that can actually help you. Because when ChatGPT actually creates a good description that is filled with a lot of keywords for you, that's actually help you to better push your video. So if you didn't do that on your video, a lot of time the video is going to flop. So if you have already made this mistake, I will advise you that you can go ahead and delete that video and repost that video, and make sure that this time around you fully optimize the video with everything that is needed so that the video is going to do well, because that's going to feel like you are giving the video a second chance to get picked up by the YouTube algorithm. Another thing that you need to keep in mind is that before you just go ahead and delete your video and repost it on your YouTube channel, you need to give it at least like 2 weeks first to observe the video, because there are some videos that you upload, it's going to take some time before YouTube will actually pick the video and push it out. So you can just wait 2 weeks, and then after 2 weeks, if there's still no views on that video, you can go ahead and delete the video, repost it with a better optimization, a better thumbnail, and also a better title, and I can assure you that that video is probably going to do well this second time around. The third mistake is when you're actually focusing on quantity over quality. I'm saying this because this only affects people that are new on YouTube, or when your channel is new and stuff like that, because big creators, they can actually get away with this. So if you're a big creator, you can actually upload video on a daily basis, valuable videos though, and then the quality will be bad, and still your fans, they will still love your video, they will like it, they will comment, they will push your videos for you, and they won't even criticize that your video that okay, the quality is bad, because they are your fans, they're already used to you and stuff like that. But when you are new on YouTube, everybody are going to be seeing you for the first time, so a lot of people are going to be criticizing you. So there's no chance for you to make a lot of mistake, like a lot of odd mistake, like bad qualities and stuff like that. You can't be doing that when you are new, because a lot of people are going to be seeing you for the first time. So you have to make sure that you are giving a very good impression for that first time, because that's what is going to make people to see your channel like something that is worth subscribing to. So you need to make sure that you are focusing on both quality and quantity at the same time, and you are merging both of them together when you are uploading on a daily basis, so that at least when people see your video, they will know that okay, this guy is good at what he does, and they want to subscribe, like your video, comment and stuff like that, and engage with you, because they feel like okay, you know what you are doing. So please make sure that you are focusing on both and not just focusing on one of them. The fourth crucial mistake is not interacting with people when they are commenting on your videos, because this is actually very, very important. Because when your viewers are to comment on your videos, always make sure to interact with them. It's super important, because apart from this making your viewers super familiar to your channel, it's also going to be able to multiply your comments. Because take for example, a lot of people, like let me say 200 people, 500 people, they are to watch your YouTube video, and then 40 of them comment on that video. If you have to start interacting with those 40 comments that on that video. Before you know it, the video comment will turn to 100 comments, 150 comments, because you guys are interacting, and this will actually be sending positive signals to the YouTube algorithm, and before you know it, it will start pushing your videos, leading to much more views on your YouTube channel. So make sure that you are doing this on your channel, and you are going to see some better results. That's for sure. Thanks for watching. I really do appreciate you guys for sticking to the end of this video, and please do remember to smash that subscribe button to stay connected, because I post a lot of tips and tutorials on a daily basis. Also, towards the end of this video, you might start seeing some of my similar videos, or you might start seeing some of my playlists, so you can also take out time to watch that, to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'll see you guys on my next video.